12 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica. Now, before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you can get other updates about what's happening in the country. And yeah, keep it locked. We're going to jump into the story now. Just to clarify, yesterday we put out a video that there were 15 cases, 5 other cases that did preliminary testing. Now, remember that we said that preliminary means that they were not 100% sure that all of them were positive 100%. Now, they are now confirmed 12 cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica. The number was revised down after 3 of the 5 people who had tested positive yesterday were actually negative. Earlier this morning, the Ministry of Health had reported that preliminary results of 7 tests completed yesterday at the National Influenza Centre shows 5 positive of COVID-19, while 2 samples tested negative. Meanwhile, the Minister of Health, Dr. Chris Tufton, in a COVID-19 status report said 340 people have came into the island from a country of interest since January 31st. 23 people are in isolation at government facility, 6 people are quarantined in government facilities, and 43 are in home quarantine. These home quarantine numbers do not include the residents of 7 Miles and 8 Miles, Bull Bay, where that area have been quarantined. Now, the figures were announced by Christopher Tufton yesterday evening in the press release report. So that's the update that we have for now on the COVID-19 virus. We're actually at 12 because 3 of the persons tested negative. Now, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and big up on yourself, keep on yourself safe, sanitize and clean.